Have you ever felt like you're just going through the motions, but not really moving forward in life? Most young adults feel this way. You're told to go to school, get a job, and somehow, everything will work out. But no one hands you the real-life rulebook, the one that helps you avoid regret, bad decisions, and wasted time. The truth: life rewards those who take control early. And if you learn these 7 rules now, you'll be ahead of 90% of people your age. What are these key life rules? Rule number 1, invest in skills, not just degrees. A degree can open doors, but skills will keep them open. Many graduates struggle not because they lack education, but because they lack valuable skills: communication, problem solving, adaptability. The difference between earning $50,000 and $150,000 isn't just a diploma, it's what you can do that others can't. Rule number 2, master the basics of money. Most people learn about money the hard way, through debt, regret, and missed opportunities. But wealthy people, they learn early. Imagine this: you earn a paycheck, spend it all, then wonder why you're always broke. Now, picture this instead: you invest just $10 a week. Over time, that small habit turns into financial security. The earlier you start, the bigger your advantage. Rule number 3, build strong relationships. Your network is your net worth. The people you surround yourself with will either push you forward or hold you back. If you're the smartest person in the room, you're in the wrong room. Success isn't just about what you know, it's about who you know and who knows you. Rule number 4, learn to sell and communicate. Every opportunity in life involves selling, whether it's selling an idea, a product, or even yourself in an interview. Those who know how to communicate will always have the upper hand. Rule number 5, take care of your body and mind. What's the point of success if you're too exhausted to enjoy it? Energy is your greatest asset. Junk food, poor sleep, and stress steal that from you. Your future self will thank you for the habits you build today. Rule number 6, fail fast, learn faster. Perfectionism is a trap. The most successful people fail more times than others even try. Your first attempt won't be perfect, but your 10th will be unstoppable. Rule number 7, play the long game. Success isn't overnight. Stop chasing quick wins and build something that lasts. The real winners are those who stay patient and persistent. How can you apply these rules? Knowing these rules is useless if you don't apply them. Here's how to start today. 1. Pick one rule that resonates with you the most and take action immediately. 2. Start small but be consistent. A tiny step today leads to massive change in the future. 3. Surround yourself with people who challenge you to grow. It's not about changing everything overnight, it's about making small shifts that lead to big results. What happens if you ignore these rules? What if you don't follow these rules? What if you continue drifting through life, waiting for things to magically fall into place? Most regrets in life come from things you didn't do, not things you tried. Your future is shaped by the decisions you make today. So, which version of yourself will you choose? Now, tell me, out of these 7 rules, which one are you already following? And which one do you need to start applying today? Drop a comment below. And if fear is stopping you from taking action, watch this next video, Overcome Fear in just 3 minutes. It'll change the way you see challenges forever.